$600 to have somebody else install it. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be replacing out this hot water tank here behind me. As I was connecting the plumbing back up, I found out that this nipple's leaking on it, so we need to replace it. Let me show you what this looks like. So as you can see here, all this water's leaking out, and it's coming from this nipple right here. If I turn this, you can see that is broken right off there at the threads as I wiggle this. So unfortunately, the whole thing needs to be replaced. So right now there's no shut off for the hot water heater. There's one here that is for the boiler autofill here. So I got the shut off I was talking about earlier that has the two shark bite ends. I'm just gonna cut this pipe here and put it in here so I'll be able to shut the water heater off from the water if I want to. All right, that's it. Now we've got a shut off. Unfortunately, we do have all this supply line for the boiler. First things first, I'm going to drain it. So I have a garden hose with two female connectors on it, connected to the pump here and connected to the drain spout. And then that's going out the window and out to the yard. So this is by far the easiest way to get the water out of your tank. You can open up that little valve with a bucket and take multiple trips outside and dump it out, but who wants to do that? So this is the best way that I found. So I'll show you how it works. First thing you're gonna do is open up this valve. Let the water start running. And you can hear, because actually I have this hot water pipe open. You can hear it right now sucking water, even though the pump's not on. You need to have something open. If you don't have an open pipe like this, you need to open up a spigot or a faucet upstairs so you have air for it to pull. And now we'll turn this puppy on. So we'll let all that drain out, then we'll turn off the pump when it's emptied, and then we can disconnect it. And you can tell now it's empty. So that took about 5 minutes altogether. Now she's completely empty. So we're gonna close up the valve here, unhook our hose. It's that simple. And now it's light as can be and can be hauled out once everything's disconnected. So let's get this disconnected, shall we? First thing we're gonna do is take this gas union off. That's kind of nice, it's right there. We're gonna steal this and keep it for the new one. I'm using this Blue Monster PTFE thread pipe. This is meant for water applications. The yellow one is for gas applications. It's a lot cleaner than the pipe dope. Let's wrap it around a couple times. And then I'm using these 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch PEX. Again, typically you'd want to do 3/4 to the hot water tank, but all this piping in this old house is 1/2 inch, so I'm just going to keep it the way it is. You want to get this pretty snug, but not too tight. It's only brass, so you don't want to strip it out. I'm just shortening up this pipe here. This is the hot. I'm going to put a shark bite onto this top of it, and then from here down to the water heater is going to be PEX. For this one here, I'm going to come off the cold. I'm going to put with PEX, put a T. The top of the T is going to go straight up. It's going to catch this guy. And then the one going over here, I'm just going to pull off, probably going to pull off that shark bite there. Keep this connected here. Pull that one off and T over, do another PEX shut off, come around and just go right into that shark bite with PEX. And leave that how it is. Squeeze it together, and this will pull right out. There you go. That's it. So this handy dandy tool takes off the shark bite fittings for you. Does 1/2 inch, 3/4, or 1 inch. You want to be very careful when you're screwing this in here. First of all, this is aluminum that you're screwing into. Second of all, this thing's kind of flimsy. So just get it snug and try and support this as you're screwing in. So I try and support that up. Now this tool has a little blue light on the side that tells you when it's tight enough. So you just keep ratcheting. See the blue light there? That's how you know it's tight enough. This releases it. This is the auto feed for the boiler, and then I'm going to go off of here up to here, put a shark bite on, and that will conclude the hookup. We've got the hot shut off there. That's coming here, so I'm going to connect that right into here, and that should be the last step here. There we go. So we're all set. I got the exhaust on here. That's back into the chimney. All the water lines are hooked up. Gas valve. The only thing left to do here is I just got to put a a tube that goes down here for the pressure relief. So if it gets too hot or too much pressure in here, this relief valve will blow off. So I just need a little tube that goes down to the floor. I'll turn the gas on here and spray some soapy water on all these connections that I did. Make sure there's no leaks. And there you have it. Save yourself $600 to have somebody else install it. So it's not too hard. You can do it yourself for sure. And that's where I'm going to end the video today. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And thank you for watching. Bye.